Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to contact eBay by phone, right? First open up your phone's dial pad. So I'll click on this and here we have the dial pad. First you want to go ahead and type in a plus. If you don't know how to type in plus, it's really easy and simple. Okay, hold down 0 and there we go, we have plus. So once you type this in, +1 866, all right, 540 3229. Okay, so this is eBay's phone number, and you can go ahead and call them up. So I'll actually go ahead and call them up right now. Probably will not be able to hear it, but what they will usually do, they will ask you to either give you their account number or basically give you their order number details so they can assist you further. Okay. And if that is not available, they'll ask you for your phone number that is associated with your eBay account. All right. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.